Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how I make these cookies using a cake box mix. So let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how I make my cookies using this cake mix. So I'll open it up. Pour the cake mix in my bowl. I'll place 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Along with the vegetable oil, 2 eggs. There's one. And the second one. I preheated my oven to 350. Now that I have everything in here, I'll mix it up. You want to scrape the sides and the bottom, making sure everything's mixed good. The batter will be thick. Now I'll clean off the attachments. Get all that cake mix off of the attachment. You'll get your baking sheet and spray it with cooking spray. Alright, that's good. And this is what the batter looks like. You can see how nice and thick that is. What I'm going to do now is spray my cookie sheet, and then I'll drop this batter by spoonfuls on top of my greased cookie sheet. I do have some M&Ms or some chocolate morsels or both. It's optional. You don't have to place them on top of the cookies, but I am. So now I'll take a spoonful and then drop it onto the greased cookie sheet. I'll continue on with the rest, and then I'll put the M&Ms or morsels or both on top. You'll bake these cookies for about 10 minutes. So you want to make them uniform. You want them all the same size. These cookies are really good. Easy to make too. I have 9 cookies on my baking sheet. So now I'll take some M&Ms. You can put how many you want on here, or you don't even have to put any on here. I'll make that all blue. And what I'm going to do is put a couple morsels. I'll put 3 of them. This is optional, but it does make the cookie taste really good. So now into the oven it goes for 10 minutes. I'll check on the cookies. Look at how much they rose already. These are really nice, soft, good cookies. A few more minutes and they'll be coming out of the oven. So now it's time for my cookies to come out of the oven. Look at how good they look. So what I'm going to do now is remove the cookies off of my baking sheet and put them off to the side. So now I'll continue on with the rest. So I got 16 cookies out of this cake box mix. That's the last one. Now I'll place the M&Ms and morsels on these cookies as well. Now I have my M&Ms on top. Now I'll place the morsels. placing extra morsels on here for Mia. So now into the oven, this one goes for 10 minutes. Time to take the second batch out. I'll turn my oven off. Look at how good they came out. So what I'm going to do now is remove the cookies off of my baking sheet and put them off to the side. Last one. Now don't they look good? So now I'll give one a try. Break it open. Yeah, so good. So soft. These are good cookies. If you need to make cookies in a hurry, this is the way to go. Deserves a second bite. These cookies are so good. Look at how that rose up in the middle. They're soft. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watch me make these cookies made out of a cake box mix. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.